Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. A cool song here from Khalid called All I Feel Is Rain. So a great new album here from Khalid, and this one is one example of a good song from that album here. So this one is a melody that goes round and round through the entire song, except from the ending here. We will not cover the ending of this song here. It's a lot of instrumental playing there. But we have this main riff going on, and it's built upon the same kind of chords here. So let's go through the different chords, and we don't actually need to look at the chords as they are in standard way, because this is strictly based upon a picking pattern for each chord. So we will call them by chords here, but the actual grips here will be a bit different here. So let's start with the first half, you can say, which is built upon a D minor, sort of a G minor, a C, and an F. Okay, so the D minor, and first thing here, we don't need any capo. Okay, so let's start with the D minor. It will sound like this. So only 3 notes. Alright, so that will be open D, second G, and first E. Okay, then comes this kind of a G minor chord here. It sounds like this. So 4 notes. What I do there, the easiest way is to bar all strings here on the 3rd fret, and then you just put your finger here on the 5th fret on G string. Okay, and when you have that grip, you will play the E string here, 3rd E string, then the 3rd D string, then 5th G, and 3rd B. So, right. Then we go to this kind of a C chord here. The grip will look like this. So what you play there is the 3rd here on the A string, the 5th on D, the open G, and 3rd B. Okay, and the final chord for this half of this melody here will be the F here. Okay, so that is first on the E string here in the bass, then comes the 3rd D string, the 2nd G, and the 1st B. Yeah. So what I do there, I normally just bar the 1st fret here on all strings, and you will get these notes here, the 1st E and the 1st B by the bar there. Okay, so that's just one tip there. So that was the first half. So let's look at it again here, just to repeat. So the D minor, open D, 2nd G, 1st E, then comes the G minor, 3rd E, 3rd D, 5th G, and 3rd B, and then the C there, 3rd A, 5th D, open G, 3rd B, and the F, 1st E, 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B. So slowly. Okay, that's the first half. And then you're gonna play the D minor in the same way as we played. The same goes for the G minor here. And the same goes for C. So it's just repetition here, D minor, G, and C. And the final chord will differ a bit. It will be kind of a C sharp based chord, C sharp dim. Okay, so that will be like this. Okay, so that is 4th on A, 2nd on D, open G, and 5th B. Alright, so that was the second part. So just to repeat here, D minor, G minor, C, F, and then D minor, G minor, C, C sharp. and that is how it goes through the entire song. Slowly, like this. And with some tempo. Right, and that is one round. So it goes round and round like this. So good luck with this cool song from Khalid, All I Feel Is Rain, and I believe we will have a couple more songs from Khalid here coming up very soon here. So if you like his songs here, watch out here on Gordon Guitar. So yeah, the best way to do that is to subscribe to this channel, and I would really appreciate if you could do that if you haven't already. And if you can spread the word, I'm very happy here. If you have friends who like to play guitar and would like to be better and have some cool songs to learn here, tell them, and let's do this together, guys. See you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.